Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can uninstall an app or a software from your computer. Alright, if there are software or applications that you don't want to keep in your computer and you want to remove that software or you want to remove that application, this video is for you. Alright, so just pay attention and watch till the end, and you are going to learn how to remove a software or how to remove an application from your computer, whether it is a laptop or desktop computer. Alright, so this is Anie'sam TV. If this is your first time coming across my videos on YouTube, please do well and click on that subscribe button so that you can see you can continue to see videos like this whenever I upload them. Alright, so now let's go to the main thing. Right, so come to this place that they write search. Look down by the left, click on it and type control panel. Right, type control panel and then click on sorry, made a mistake. Search for control panel, then click on it. Look at control panel here. Make sure you click on control panel, click on it, and then come here and make sure that this is in category. Make sure that this is, select this category, leave it like this, and then come down to uninstall a program. Come down to programs, click on this uninstall a program. Alright, so once you click on uninstall a program, scroll down, you are going to see softwares, and then you make you select the one that you don't want to keep and uninstall. Do you understand? Okay, let me remove one software from here. Let me remove let me say Opera Mini. Okay, let me look for let me see if I have UC browser here. UC browser, I've not seen it. I don't know if you have seen it. UC browser, that is the software I wanted to remove, but it's not here. Alright, so for instance, let me say this Bonjour. I don't know if this is an app. This Bonjour is it is an app. Yeah, it is an app. This Bonjour, I don't know why it is here. I have not made any use of it, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you click on uninstall. If the software have an issue, you can click on repair. If the software always gives you headache, malfunctioning, anytime you want to use it, the software is not working properly, you can click on repair. Once you click on repair, it will take you to where you can update the software so that it can start working perfectly. Alright, so if you want to uninstall, in this video we want to learn how to uninstall, so just click on that software like I am clicking on this particular software. Look up, you are going to see uninstall, and then you click on uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall Bonjour? Yes, go ahead and click on yes. In the future, do not show me this dialog box, so click on yes, and then that application will be removed. Do you understand? Bonjour, that application will be removed. Yeah, so let me show you another step. Let me cancel it so that I can go and show you another step. Alright, so that is the first step. I wish it can disappear. Right, I wish it can disappear so that I can show you the other one. I wish it can disappear. Okay, I don't. Okay, so the second step, come down here to search and click on apps. You'll see, once you type app, just search for apps and features. This will appear. Click on the first one. Alright, click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, you are going to see list of softwares and applications, and then click on the one that you want to remove. Click on the one that you want to uninstall, and it will be uninstalled, right? So let me look for a software that I don't really like, that a software that I'm not using at the moment. So I want to uninstall which software? Active Presenter. I'm not using it at the moment, so I can just click on it, and there's uninstall here, so just click on uninstall. All right, and then uninstall. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? No, I don't want. Click on no. Uninstall. Do you want this okay, user account control? Oh, okay. I have to click on yes, so that website can be uninstalled. Are you sure you want to completely remove Active Presenter and all of its components? Yes, I don't want that. I don't want that software again, so just uninstall the software. All right, so let's wait and see. Active Presenter, I actually pin it, but let me check if it's still pinned. I actually pin it down somewhere here. As you can see, it has been removed. So that is how to uninstall a software or an application from your computer. These are the two methods you can use. All right, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to this channel so that you can see an interesting videos like this. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.